We got the DeWalt Black Friday Gift Center deals. Buy one, get one free. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos so you guys will miss any of the Black Friday deals. I will be making videos for just about every brand and also a generic video for the gift center, just a general tool center there for the Black Friday and holiday deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this DeWalt. I'm talking about this 1288 for this organizer. I think it's a pretty good deal. I did get the ones from like 2 years ago. They were actually bigger and cheaper, but it's actually a pretty good deal for what it is as of now. So definitely jump on those. You got a knife set there, $16, $16.98, and utility knife there. 4-piece screwdriver set, pretty nice. They are rubber, so pretty nice set there. 1988 for this Max Fit Ultra 81 piece. So it does have some really long bits, extension bits, 3/8 spade bits, some 1-inch stars, and some hex, and some more 1-inch bits there, and some long 3-inch bits and 2-inch bits. A nut driver and a socket bit adapter and a bit holder. So different types of bits in there. Very complete kits. They are on sale, these Tough System 3-piece systems, but I did not see a price on this, so you would have to check online. $24.98 for this Tough System 2.0 6-compartment organizer, and the 2-drawer for $99. So those are all Tough System compatible. This is pretty much like a half size, so you would need 2 of those to add, a whole side. You got $119 for this air compressor jump starter. So this is like a combo air compressor jump starter. It does not require DeWalt batteries. It is self charging, or you plug it in basically and charge it. You got a Stanley organizer, really cheap organizer for $6.88. You got $3.99 for this miter saw. I don't know if they're gonna do this buy one get one free from the other years, but that's what it is. This is a killer deal on this 25-piece set, guys. Just the right angle adapter by itself, it's around that price. So you're basically getting the 25-piece bit set for free. That's a killer deal. Make sure you guys pick one of those up if you don't have it. $19 for this 2-pack of clamps. And then you got this work table, this workbench here. Pretty nice. Folding portable workbench, $89. That's pretty good. Guys, we got the buy one get one free. So basically, buy the ones on the left are the buy one get one free, and the ones on the right are the deals that they currently have. You got the atomic ratchet kit with the power stack for $199. You got the 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries for $149. You got a 4-pack of 3 amp hour oil resistant batteries there for $149 for that. And then you got a 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries, the yellow tops, for $99. You got an oscillating tool kit there for $99. Pretty good. It does include a 2 amp hour battery on those. So these are the deals that they have on the right side. So it's just like a general special deal for the holiday season. And here to the left, we got the buy one get one free. So you start here with the top left. You got $4.99. You got buy this kit and get 2 free tools. Those are the FlexBolt Advantage 3-tool combo kit there. So it does include that hammer drill and the circular saw, and then 2 power stack batteries. 1.7 of 5 amp hour battery. You get 2 free tools with that. And then the one to the right is $349. This one gets you 2 free tools as well, and they are power stack batteries, a 5 amp hour and a 1.7. I think that's a pretty good deal because you end up paying around $100 per each thing, per each tool and each of those kits. And then the bottom ones are buy one get one free, so just 1 free tool for the bottom ones. $2.99 will get you an impact driver and drill driver with 2 batteries and 1 free tool. And then the one to the right is $199 with the 4 amp hour and 6 amp hour. You guys know that 6 amp hour is really powerful. One of the most powerful batteries, the older batteries that they have. And then that is the cheapest for $199. Get a free tool. Definitely, if you guys need the batteries, definitely the one on the right, the battery, the flexible battery by itself, that's a really good deal on that. talking about the free tools, guys, yes, you are getting the brushless reciprocating saw, the brushless 6.5 circular saw, your brushless jigsaw. You can choose from any of these. The brushless 4.5 grinder, the SDS, the atomic SDS 5/8 hammer drill. You got the atomic brushless 5-speed impact tool. You got the brushless router and the 1/2 inch impact wrench, the 6 amp hour battery, and the blower. Definitely check those out, guys. There's a lot of good deals, especially if you have all the tools. You can stock up on those batteries, so definitely recommend that. All right, so more deals here. Got the nailer and compressor combo kit for $219. And then some of the tools there are on the bottom of that section that we just looked at right now. This is the 1/2 inch impact wrench, the DCF 900. So this is one of the newer, or the newer, I would say, high torque impact wrenches. You got the cheapest starter kit with the free tool, 6 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and then to the right we got the power stack. That's $349 for the right one on the right. You get 2 free tools with that one, which I think is pretty good. Like I said, about $100 a piece. And then at the bottom you got the flex bolt, circular saw, and hammer drill lights for $4.99. Plus you get 2 free tools with that one. That's really good. If you're planning on to get into a platform, this is the way to go. Then you got this one for $2.99. Not bad. You get 1 free tool with this one, impact driver and drill driver. Talking about free tools, you can choose from this circular saw, the impact driver, the 850 impact driver, DCF 850 impact driver, and then you can get this jigsaw. You can choose from this 6 amp hour battery flex bolts, and that is the two free tool combo kit that you have to buy. All right, some more tools here on the right. Got the impact wrench there. You got the angle grinder valued at $199, the reciprocating saw, and the blower right there to the right. So blower, it's valued at $179, so that's pretty good, and it is pretty decent for being a 18-volt, 20-volt platform. And that's the SDS hammer drill. You got the 2-pack of 5s for $149. You got the 4 packs of 3 amp hour batteries. Those are oil resistant batteries. That is $149 for that pack at 4. If you guys are doing mechanics works and all that, you're a mechanic, those are the batteries for you. You got the ratchet and the power stack there. You got a cutoff tool and the oscillating kit there for $99. Pretty good deal. And check this out, guys. You got a 6-tool combo kit, $499. You got a hammer drill, impact driver, circular saw, angle grinder, oscillating tool, sander, 2 batteries, and a charger. And guess what, guys? You are getting this Tough System 2.0 rolling case. This is a really, really nice set at $499. That is a really good deal on that one. Jump on that one if you're planning to get into a platform. That's a very complete kit. $19.88 for the 2-pack of atomic tape measures. These are very similar to the Fat Max, but I would prefer with Fat Max. And then we got this angle finish nailer, tool only, $2.99. So that's a 16 gauge. You got a 21 framing nailer. That's it right there. I believe those are just tool onlys. And then you got a kit here. This is 23 gauge pin nailer kits for $2.99 and a brand nailer kit XR for $2.99. All right, so this is one of the newer things that I saw this year. This is $29.88. This is a MaxFit Ultra 3-in-1 right angle attachment. So if you guys look at here, there's something different about this one. It is a 3-piece. You got a 1/4 inch and a 3/8. So here to the left, you got the 1/4 inch, just like a hex driver. And here to the right, you got a socket adapter. This is for sockets, 3/8 sockets. Kind of like a right angle ratchet. You can use this with an impact driver. So definitely check this one out. I think this one's pretty good, especially if you're doing some DIY mechanics works, and that is the way that it goes in there. The way the attachment goes in there, and then you got some Some handles here on the side you guys could put. Those are in the back, by the way, back of the package. You got the 2-in-1 versatile use, release components, quick bit ejection. It does have quick bit ejection, standard right angle. So lots of good stuff there. And then you got the 2-pack of 25-foot tape measures from FatMax, 24, 14-foot stand, $29.88 for the Ultra, the MaxFit Ultra, 120 piece. This is a very big kit. It is compatible with the T-Stack. You got some longer extension bits, a bit holder there, Tic Tac case, some 1-inch bits, some drilling bits there. So it looks like some black and gold drilling bits, some 2-inch bits there to the right, nut driver, and some more 4-inch bits there to the left. So very, very complete kit, guys. That's it for today. Let us know in the comment section which tools would you want to get, or did you get, or if you got any in the past, any killer deals that you gotten on the past. Let us know in the comment section, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.